Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of working on the MoCo. As you can see here, we did get the cutter bar off. It just popped down from there. We left one piece on yet, so we can still get that from there. But yeah, we're going to take this inside the barn. Going to wash it all out, get all the shavings out, put new bearings where needed, and new spur gears, whatever is needed. We're just going to get this whole thing rebuilt. So stay to the end, make sure you catch all the details and if it's going to work or not. There we go. We got the cutter bar on a pair of sawhorses and a plywood piece, and we're gonna work on it from here. Take it all apart. Last night I got all the hats off, and I also loosened these casings right here. These are all loosened, and yeah, we're just gonna work on it from here, see what is broken, and then we're gonna have to take these little plate things off, and these come apart right here in the center, and we're gonna have to like take each one off and then see what the inside looks like. Each of these has a bearing in it. This holds one of these wheels in, and our air wrench or impact wrench that we have now does not take them out, so we bought another one that should do the job. It's like 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. We'll see if that'll get it off. So here's the drill. Battery's charging right now, so it'll be a while till we can use it. Alright, so we got everything off, and the plan is to pressure wash it out, like the inside, because there's a whole bunch of, like, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like shavings and old oil in it. And we're going to grab the tractor, lift it up, take it up front, and then get the pressure washer on and see if we can clean it out. Alright, so we got the cutter bar back into the barn, and the next step is to get all these gears and at least get one bearing out so we know what size to order them. And after that, we gotta like install everything. We might need a new gear thing like that, but that's pretty much it. And then we gotta like install it and all that. So Make sure to stay to the end to see the final product. So the packages arrived and we're going to open them up and see what's in them. Some tough seals on that one. There we are. Got two of these little hubs and then two of these wheels. This one's a lot lighter. Alright, so we got 9 of these little packets. See what's in them. If we got the right stuff or not. That looks right. Kind of looks like some of these. Yeah. I think we got the exact right one. Let's get them on. Here goes number 1. Gotta get it all the way across. How to get everything in the bearing and then slide it in the shaft. So first you grab a bearing, and we put an O-ring in here already, and just put that right there, and then grab a hammer. Once that's all the way it can go, you can see this ring right here starting to come out. Then I'll grab a screwdriver. Alright, now that's all the way in there, and then we're gonna keep tapping. Okay, so that's nice and even there on both sides. Now there's a couple of numbers and letters down there, and that goes down, so we're going to slide this in. Now we got it, the last one, we're going to push it right onto the spot. Right there. And we'll grab one of these bolts, wipe it with a towel, and we'll spray some lubricant on it and around in the bearing wheels. Fit in right. Grab the drill. Get that tightened in right. And now it spins. It's pouring rain today, but we got a lot done yesterday. I'm sorry I couldn't film it, but we got all of these gears in, and we got this hat right here on as well as this one, and we're just gonna keep adding this one. I'm not sure if you can see it, it's a little dark in here, sorry about that, but like this one is broken, and yeah, we're gonna get all that together. Alright, so this one's next. We gotta figure out counter and clockwise and all that stuff, so. Alright, just like that. So we finally bought all the bearings, and yeah, here's the old one. That thing is pretty messed up. Here's two brand new ones. As you can see right here, this is one of them that I already got out. The bearing's gone, and here's one that still has one stuck in there yet. So we gotta change these two, and then we can get the hubs on. Then we're gonna put all the hats back on, and then put it back onto the MoCo. I'm not sure you can see it out there, sitting right in the middle of the lawn. It's not a good place, but it's where it is. So yeah, that's all we gotta do yet, and then install the cutter bar. Now we got 5 of the hats on, and we're just waiting on this bearing right here. Trying to get this piece in, but I'm gonna get Dad to help me on that one. And yeah, we're gonna have to do the same with, I think it's one more of these hubs, put a bearing around it and get the casing on, and then we can put all the hats on and install the cutter bar. So we got that one all in, and now we're working on the second one. We're gonna get the bearing in, and then we should have all the hats on. And yes, we did have to weld this right here. We found out it had a leak in it, so yeah, we're just like, we put a piece of metal on top, and then we're gonna strap it down again. And yeah, it shouldn't leak anymore. Alright, so now we gotta get the last hub on. Okay, that one's tightened now. I think it's good to go. So the cutter bar is ready to go onto the MoCo. We're gonna grab the tractor and put her on. It might look same on the outside, but inside it's pretty much new. I'm having a little problem getting this lined up right here. I don't know if you can see it. Lighting's pretty bad, but a bolt needs to go through there to hold it in place. So we finally got it in with the help of Dad. So we finally got the cutter bar installed, and the only thing left to do is put this back on. It's the power drive that powers all of the hats, and then she should be running. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.